Now let me go over the pros and cons potentially for you with this corded jigsaw from WORKPRO. WORKPRO makes a ton of tools. I like their stuff. This jigsaw, however, just has some pros and cons like you might imagine. Some interesting design features that may be exactly what you're looking for or not. First of all, there's a light up front that you can just turn on and it just stays on as long as the thing's plugged in. That kind of makes sense. I feel like the lights that come on and off are more designed to save your battery. And this one, you just flip it on, it's always on. So interesting. You might like that, you might not. It's also got a speed adjust. I run it cranked up to 6, but you can also run at a slower speed. Like this is 1, and it really kind of creeps along at 1, whereas up at 6, you get a lot of speed. And with that, you can see the other idiosyncrasy, a potential con with the saw is that there's no brake at all. So when you power it up, it just keeps on going, and it keeps on going for a long time before it stops. There's just no brake in there, no safety mechanism to turn off the blade. However, there is some other safety stuff that's kind of cool. There's this little plastic shroud that just kind of sits in front of the blade and keeps the sawdust and bits and pieces and stuff from flying out at you. Also, like with most jigsaws, you can adjust the angle. So basically you can eat more wood or cut more straight up and down depending on how you keep this setting set. You can also run on automatic, so once you power up, you can push your thumb button and keep it running. As for the plate, it's no scratch, and overall, I'd say it's a pretty nice jigsaw. Just has a couple pros and cons for you to think about. It does have a little Allen wrench hidden here. If you want to adjust the base, you can cut at an angle just by adjusting the plate to tip it up and down.
Different saws for it, but for some reason this piece fell off and I can't find the parts to put it back together, and I don't even quite sure how to do it, but it was fine, and I don't know why I didn't do anything but just cut some wood with it, and that's why I'm putting a video out. Other than that, it did a fine job. It's a WORKPRO. I got a WORKPRO drill that works perfect, but I don't know what happened. I don't even know how to put it back on, so I'm not even going to try to.